Hello, today I'll be showing you how to make this look. The palette that I used was Soft Glam. I don't know how to pronounce it. And these are the colors. Wait, those are the colors. If you have the palette, you know the names of the colors. I'm sorry, but it's like the light, like, let me see if I can get you the names. If you can see the names, comment down below that you could, because I can't. But if you did, comment down below if you saw it. And I'll be showing you how to make this look. And so let's get into the video. So the first color we're going to be using is Dirty Rose. No, Dusty Rose, I'm sorry. Gonna put that on our lid. Okay. Then we're going to take Pink Rose. Rose pink. Yeah, rose pink. There we go. I don't know if it blurred up. I'm sorry. It was rose pink though. We're gonna try to like mix it in a little, not too close. And then we're gonna get the brush, the other color, Dusty Rose, and we're gonna go on top of that once. Then we're gonna get Pink Rose and go back over that. And then go one more time over, go back over the rose pink with the Dusty Rose. And then we're going to take bronze. Yeah, bronze, I think that's how you say it. Yeah, bronze. That it's like a goldish lookish color. Alright, I'm gonna tap it 1 or 2 or 3 times. Yeah. Okay, then we're going to use my favorite. I'm gonna eventually stop using this and use other different ones. We're gonna put a little bit of that on that eye. Oh, there we go. Okay, then we're going to put that on. Next, we're going to choose Daddy for the lip. It says Daddy at the bottom. This is the final look I got. Okay, if you liked it, like, subscribe, comment down below, and see you next time. Bye.